Though the coronavirus is very harmful, it has taught many things to this world. We have learned that the life is more important than anything else. Secondly, it has also taught that all are equal before nature. Scholars, intellectuals, rich and poor, believers and unbelievers of God, celebrities and common people, and spiritual gurus and their devotees. Today, all of them are confined to their living rooms because of fear of coronavirus. Both bench cars and bicycles are parked at home. They have no value today because they are not flying on the roads. It has also proved that people can live without hotels, shopping malls, pubs, cinema halls, gold, silver, drugs, and social get togethers. This corona also, during this lockdown period, it has taught us that we can lead a simple life and also how to save money by spending only for necessities. I always have a doubt that when we are believing that an invisible 0.10 micron virus is killing people, why we are not believing that a smaller particle less than a micron, in the name of Atma, which is controlling this body and giving life to this body, and also in the name of Paramatma, like cosmic power, is controlling this entire universe. Sometimes fear makes people to believe certain things. It is a lesson to all the egoistic human beings that they are nothing before God's acts. The corona taught the world that the power, position, money, weapons, and everything is nothing before nature. Nature is God. God is truth. God alone is truth. Post COVID-19, the lifestyle will change and people will understand better the purpose of this life. In my view, post COVID-19, the telemedicine and distant education may take a lead. Simple living with divine thinking is the future life. How we talk about before Christ and after Christ, after this COVID-19, we may talk about before COVID-19 and after COVID-19 because we have not experienced this type of crisis earlier. Hats off to our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, for his right actions at right time to control the coronavirus in our country and also save the millions of Indians. Thanks to state CMs, opposition party leaders for their unconditional support for the common cause. Similarly, hats off to doctors, nurses, police, corporation health workers, and electricity board employees. Special thanks to the housewives and homemakers, because though the entire country is under lockdown, they are working 24 hours and taking care of their families. Stay at home, continue your prayers, and be safe from Corona. Thank you very much.